County Sheriff's Department is warning teens and parents about a relatively new drug gaining popularity in the high school scene. News Channel 3 reporter Kelsey Gerkins joins us live from Ventura. And Kelsey, what drug are we talking about and why is it so easily available?
Beth, it's called Spice, and while it may sound like a common household ingredient, it's actually a mind-altering drug that can be deadly. Now, the problem is it's very accessible to teenagers because it's allegedly being sold at several of our local smoke shops.
Spice, it's kind of like a similar type of weed. It's not grown, it's made.
No, never heard of it. No.
Bad drug. It's basically just, what is it?
While most teenagers know it exists, many don't even know what it is.
I think a lot of people don't necessarily know what they're purchasing.
The drug is called Spice, or synthetic marijuana. It's a mix of shredded plant material covered in mind-altering chemicals. What type of chemicals depends on where it was made.
It tends to do a combination of chemicals that causes some really serious side effects. Amongst them are hallucinations, increased heart rate, sweating.
Spice is often disguised as incense or potpourri and labeled not for human consumption. However, the Ventura County Sheriff's Department says several local smoke shops are selling Spice, knowing that it is being consumed by their customers. And with names like Scooby Snacks and Atomic Bomb, detectives say their target audience is teens.
It's the second most abused drug in our schools right now. Number one is marijuana, and the second one being Spice. So we're seeing a large increase in the use of Spice around all our schools right now.
Known a couple people who've they call it tripping out, and they don't know where they're at kinda, and they're just like, their head's spinning and they're in class and they just don't know what they're doing.
Detectives are now cracking down on smoke shops selling Spice. These pictures provided by the Ventura County Sheriff's Department show just some of the hundreds of bags of alleged Spice detectives seized at 9 Ventura County smoke shops. The Ventura County Sheriff's Department is advising parents to talk to their teens about Spice and let them know that it is not safe and not natural and that it could possibly be deadly. Reporting live in Ventura, Kelsey Gerkins, News Channel 3.